Hello students, today we will learn conduction current density and displacement current. Conduction current density in a conductor is the magnitude of conduction current flowing through the conductor per unit cross-sectional area. For an alternating applied electric field, conduction current density in a conductor is the magnitude of product of the conductivity of the conductor sigma and root mean square value of the alternating applied electric field. Thus Jc equal to sigma ERMS. We get this expression from Ohm's law. From Ohm's law we know V is equal to IR. So we can write it V is equal to I. For R we can write resistivity rho, length of the conductor upon area of cross section A. So L is below V, we get V upon L is equal to I upon A. For resistivity is the reciprocal of conductivity, so we can write it 1 upon sigma. Now voltage upon length is the electric field intensity. So V upon L is I, current upon area is current density which is J into 1 upon sigma. So we get J equal to sigma E. Displacement current density in a conductor or dielectric or vacuum is the magnitude of displacement current flowing through the medium per unit cross-sectional area. Displacement current density in a medium is generated when it is subjected to a time-varying electric field. In case of conductors, the magnitude of displacement current density is much smaller, negligible as compared to conduction current density. Hence, the physical significance of displacement current density is dominantly in that of dielectrics and for vacuum. Thus, displacement current density in a medium is represented as Jd equal to epsilon, which is permittivity of the medium, into time rate of change of applied electric field. Let us consider an example. For a conducting medium whose conductivity sigma is 5.8 into 10 raised to the power 6 Siemens per meter and epsilon r, which is relative permittivity or dielectric constant, is 1, find out the conduction and displacement current densities if the magnitude of electric field intensity E is given by E equal to 150 sine 10 raised to the power minus 10 t volt per meter. In this question, we are given a conductor which is subjected to a time varying electric field and which have a known conductivity. Due to the application of a time varying electric field, a displacement current density is generated in the conductor, and due to the flow of the current in the conductor, there is a conduction current density. So we have to determine both the conduction current density and the displacement current density in the conductor. So according to the question, the electric field intensity E is given by 150 sine 10 minus 10 t volt per meter. The dielectric constant associated with the conducting medium epsilon r is 1. And the conductivity of conducting medium sigma is 5.8 into 10 raised to the power 6 Siemens per meter. We have to determine conduction current density Jc and displacement current density Jd. So substituting the value of sigma and root mean square value of electric field in above equation, we get 5.8 into 10 raised to the power 6. To determine root mean square of value of electric field, we divide the peak value of electric field E naught with root 2. So 150 by root 2. So we get Jc as 615.27 into 10 raised to the power 6 ampere per meter square. So epsilon can be written as epsilon naught epsilon r, where epsilon r is dielectric constant or relative permittivity, d by dt 150 sine 10 minus 10 t. So we will differentiate and we will take 10 minus 10 as approximation to 0. So when differentiate we will get cos. So cos 0 is 1. So substituting the value of epsilon naught, which is 8.85 into 10 minus 12, and epsilon r, which is 1, we get JD equal to 132.75 into 10 minus 21 ampere per meter square. So from this we can conclude that the magnitude of displacement current density is almost negligible to the magnitude of conduction current density for a conducting medium.